Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Cougar. In this video, we're going to talk about calendar module in Python. In order to work with calendar or printing the calendar of a month or the whole year, we use the calendar module in our project. First, let's import the calendar module in our project. To read about documentation of any object in Python, any class, module, or function, we use the help method. Help method is basically a very useful method in Python. It basically displays the documentation and explanation of the functions, module, class, and functions within a module or class. So basically, we pass the object name to the help function. In this case, let's pass the calendar module name to the help function. And if we run our project, it's going to display all the methods within this module and explanation of each method, what they're doing. So I really recommend you guys, if you want to learn more about the calendar module, go through this documentation using the help method and read more about the methods and documentation of this module. Suppose we want to print the calendar for a month or a year. Let's prompt the user to enter the year they want to print. Year equal to input. Enter the year. Since input function in Python returns a string, we must typecast it to integer and store the input user to the year variable. And let's take the month also from the user. Month equal to int of input. Enter the month. So in order to print the calendar for a specific month, we use the month method within the calendar module. Print, let's give the calendar name, the module name first, dot function name, which is month. For the function, for the month function, it takes the year value and the month value. So suppose we give the year entered by the user and the month entered by the user, and it will display the calendar for the specific month. Let's clear the screen. Run our project. So let's print 2022 month of January. It prints the month of January 2022. As we can see, the starting day of the week by default is Monday, which has an index of 0. Tuesday has index of 1, and so on. So to change the starting day of the week, we use the set start method in calendar module. Calendar dot set first weekday. Sorry, and we suppose we want to start our calendar or our weekday not Monday. Suppose we want to start our week from Thursday. So we use the set first weekday and pass the name of the day we want to start our week. Let's print that 2022 month of January. Now we can see that our start day is not Monday anymore. It is Thursday instead. And if you want to print the calendar for the whole year, we use the calendar method inside the calendar module. Calendar, this is the module name. Inside this module, we have a calendar method which takes the year. So we pass the year entered by the user and the month. So we want to print only the 1 year calendar. Suppose we want to print the calendar for 2020. Okay, enter the month. So it prints the whole calendar for the year of 2020. The next important method is the weekday. So let's take the day also from the user and input. Enter the day. To check whether a date is which day of the week is a date, we can use the print calendar dot weekday. We pass the year entered by the user, then the month and the day. Suppose we want to know which day is 2017, month of May. Suppose day 7, which day is it? It is day 6, means that Monday is 0, Tuesday is 1, so it's gonna be a Saturday. You guys can use a switch statement or dictionary to print that. Suppose we want to, let's define a dictionary. Suppose we have this dictionary of name weekdays, where the key values are the number of the weekdays and the values are the name of the weekday. So in weekday, so the Monday has a 0th index, Tuesday has 1, and so on. So let's store this value to a variable weekday. In order to print or use this dictionary as a switch statement, we can use the dictionary's get method, weekday.get method of weekday. So let's run our project, enter year 2012, month 4. So we want to see what day is the 5th April of 2012. So we can see it is a Thursday. The next important method within this calendar module is the isLeap method, where it will check whether an year is leap year or no. So let's comment out all these lines of code, and let's take only the year from the user to check whether the year is a leap year or not. We use print calendar.isLeap of year. So it will return if the given year is, it will return true if the given year is a leap year, otherwise it will return false. So let's check whether 2021 is a leap year. It's false, so 2021 is not a leap year. I think 2000 is a leap year, 2000, so it returns true. 2000 is the leap year. The other important function within the calendar method is the leap days function, where we can print the number of leap years within a given range of years. Suppose we want to know how many leap years are from 2000 to 2020. Let's get start year, and let's prompt the user to enter the end year. End year equal to end. Input, enter the end year. So print calendar.leap days of this year, start year and end year. So it's gonna print how many leap years are within a range of years. Suppose we want to know from 2000 to 2020. There are 5 leap years from 2000 to 2020. Let's run it again. Suppose how many leap years are from 1950 to 2022. There are 18 leap years within this range of years. That was all most important functions from the calendar module in Python. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to Code with Cougar for more programming videos. See you in the next video.